Yeah, I'm starting to put on a little clinic. Oh, that is a big one, y'all. Oh, that is a giant.
Oh my goodness, Daddy, help me.
Get it.
Bud, this is a cat here.
All right, good morning, guys. It is not every day that I get to go fishing with my treasured friend and oldest brother, Uncle Moose. But today, I'm going on an adventure. And usually when we get together, we don't always get together, but when we do, we usually go on a pretty good adventure. But instead of hunting today, we're going fishing. We're going to Einstein's Crossing, which is a place we grew up on right here in Jones, Louisiana, where we've deer hunted and fished and duck hunted our whole life. So excited about today. We're going to hit the creek and we're going to see if we can catch some crappie and everything else. So we'll see y'all out there. So what you got going on here, boy?
Well, I'm trying to tie a knot on this here hook. Trying to get a Palomar knot tied, just in case we find something that'll bite a worm. The rest of it we're going to be using jigs, beetle spins, probably some chatterbaits, the micros.
We brought some night crawlers and everything else. This is the master crappie box right here.
No, it's not. That is not a crappie bait.
That is not a crappie bait. It's a good bait though.
It's a free bait.
Ain't nothing better than a free bait, dude. In this economy,
Free is good.
free is good. We're gonna get the Polaris loaded up. We're gonna get out there, y'all.
We're using the Polaris?
Are we
I
not?
thought that was to bring fish back.
Well, dude, I ain't gonna walk all the way back up here to get the Polaris. we taking it with us.
We'll take the Polaris, since I brought it.
I'm old, dude.
57 miles one way.
All right, y'all. So we are loaded up. Got the Polaris loaded up with all of our gear. Hey, Uncle Moose. You know what the cool thing is about them when we were kids? We got more money. More money means more fishing rods. We used to do this with like one rod and had to tie every bait every couple of minutes. We're ready now. We're ready. All right, Uncle Moose, second cast in. Hey, he'll eat. Huh?
Keeping them?
Yeah, we're keeping them. See, Uncle Moose didn't think ahead. I got you, buddy. I didn't play baseball growing up.
The one thing I didn't think about grabbing was
I thought about it last night, went and got it and put it in the truck. And then I was just sitting there, I was like, Uncle Moose done walked through all those rocks and he didn't even grab a stringer, which means he's gonna have to come back. All right, I'm gonna go around on the actual bank over here. Anyway, just yell at me when you got a fish. All right?
Okay. I got it.
Boom.
Stacked in like cordwood.
Stacked in like cordwood. Another one?
They're in that clover.
Yeah. See, I'm different than Uncle Moose. If it's early morning, like right now, it is December the 27th. It is 67 degrees, which is weird. And it's 7:40 in the morning. 7:43. I'm gonna try to get a topwater bite while I can. Oh, that's good. Nice little creek bass. and gave Moose my stringer. Daggone. You say you had another stringer with you?
Nope. It's in the kayak.
Yeah, mine were in my kayak. I'm gonna look through my bags real fast just to make sure. I'm already wore out.
You already wore out.
I'm walking. Don't have enough money for all of it, huh?
No, I don't have enough money for all of it. So I just use what I still have back in the gap. Some of it ain't worth a crap no more.
Dude, when I first started this YouTube thing 2 years ago, I still had the original rod and reel, 2 of them from when I was in high school.
Yeah.
They were 20 years old. They made
They
it.
done broke.
They made it about. One made it about 6 months, and the other one made it about a year, and they both went out on me. You know, we're gonna grab this wacky rig while we up here and just see what happens. There it is, y'all. Green pumpkin with purple flake. That's the money. I'm gonna throw this wacky rig right here.
I'm gonna do this and then
See what happens when you bring the camera over? There it goes. You done found them itty bitty ones. There's a rock pile right here. I'm about to bring this across. There we go. There we go. That'll eat. It keeps me and Uncle Moose tied for keepers. All right, let's get back on my buzz bait, wherever it's at around here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Gee, that's a long walk for a stringer. We're going though. Well, it looks like I'm gonna be the one that feeds you today, buddy.
what's that?
Looks like I'm gonna be the one that feeds you today.
Lets other beavers know that this is his territory or whatever. He just takes a ball of mud and leaves and puts it up here, and then he leaves the scent on it, kind of like a dog peeing on a tire.
Really?
Yeah. But that right there,
Yeah.
that's otter.
I know. This is where I saw that otter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where he's been eating the fish or whatever, and that's the vertebrae and the scales and stuff like that that's left over after digestion.
Huh.
He just gets up here and poops and marks his territory right on top of the beaver. Keeps on swimming.
Well, it don't look like we're gonna make it much further with this buzz bait. The duckweed. I may have to go get a frog. Kinda hurt. You ain't caught any more over there? You ain't caught any more over there? Yeah, I got a little spinning jig I'm fixing to go get and just try. The bite window ain't open. Bite window. I'm gonna try a little crappie fishing real quick. This little bait right here is just a 6 cents pink and black spinner with a Tiger Candy jig body, but I can't remember who makes it right off the top of my head. All right, got a little bass. Now what we want. All right, we're gonna head upstream. Let's see if we can do something. I got 2 crappie poles, and then I got a Texas rig. I'm gonna need some Texas rig baits. So, get some baits. Okay, yeah. Look at that, y'all. I think that's the biggest one of the day. No, I think I got one that big already. Daggum. The string is way over there. Yeah, I'm starting to put on a little clinic. Uncle Moose is gonna have to catch up. All he's been catching some little bitties. Yeah, I caught him on a Texas rig. Moose's hunting brain done got to him. He's out there figuring out where he wants to put a stand.
That I had on the tree that we were looking for a while ago.
Hell, it should just all slide apart.
Yeah, I need a hammer to help with it.
Yeah.
Things been together for many years.
What wire was on there?
A piece of TIG wire left on the tree. That's gonna hurt for a while.
Yeah. When's the last time you had a tetanus shot? Just the one off the four-wheeler trailer? Mm-hmm. You want to slide it to that bottom? No. Well, this might work.
Let's just gotta hold till we get up to big table.
See how much clears room yet?
Yep.
All right, y'all. Me and Uncle Moose took a break and went scouting in the woods. It's now 10:46. The wind has picked up and is actually pushing some of this duck grass off. So I'm gonna go back fishing, see if I can catch some more fish. Well, you caught any more over here? I'm gonna go here and see if I can get up in these stumps on this clear side. I'm gonna come try that downstream a little bit and then we can go. All right, it's my last cast. Oh yeah, we calling it quits. Not a bad little mess. We probably would have caught more if we wouldn't took so long of a break.
Took what?
So long of a break. You gonna put them in the ice chest?
Our drinks are in it.
All right.
I can't do that. I just need somebody to come over and spot with me. You know, be my spotter.
Tell everybody peace out.
Peace out. Like a 3-piece chicken strip with 2 biscuits, please.
I'm gonna do the same thing. Need something about this chicken, dude. It hits a little different.
Crispy, crunchy.
You want?
You only got one, too.
What kind of sauce you get?
They used to call it the original. Now it's called the crunchy sauce.
Yeah. Y'all, if y'all come in, y'all need to go by Marouge and get y'all some of this crunchy chicken. It's good. All right, Moose, we caught some fish today. We scouted. We talked about old times.
We reminisced.
Took an old deer stand out to move it somewhere else. It was a great day.
It's always a good time when we get together.
Very much so. For all y'all out there, me and Uncle Moose appreciate y'all watching, and we hope y'all have a great day. That's
Cheers.
Cat.